Hello, nears and dears. Welcome to Saturday Dawn Quiz. Today's questions are of general knowledge. The first question, true or false? The can opener was not invented until 45 years after the tin can. So it is true. A woman has walked on the moon. So it is false. Because man has walked on the moon, but woman has not walked. So it is false. What did the Romans call Scotland? So they call Caledonia. Which sentence said imagination is more important than knowledge? So, Albert Einstein said imagination is more important than knowledge. What is the capital of Costa Rica? So, the capital of Costa Rica is San Jose. The equator passes through which continents? So, the equator passes through South America, Africa, and Asia. Although it does not pass through the mainland of Asia, it does run through Indonesia and the Maldives, which are part of the continent. Question number 7. Which ocean is home to most 75% approximately of the Earth's volcanoes? So the Pacific Ocean basin is home to 75% of the world's volcanoes. These volcanoes actually form a ring around the Pacific Ocean basin known as the Ring of Fire. Question number 8. Which nuts are used in marzipan? So almonds nuts are used in marzipan. Question number 9. What are the 5 colors of the Olympic rings? So the 5 colors are blue, yellow, black, green and red. Today's last question. Where is a shark's heart? So shark's heart is in its head.